Hi, I'm Heather Gray. Welcome to Introduction to Computational Techniques in Physics. I love teaching this course because I think that acquiring programming skills is really the best way to prepare for doing research in physics. I work on the ATLAS experiment at the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, which is located at the International Lab CERN near Geneva in Switzerland. At the LHC, we are trying to discover and study the smallest and most fundamental particles to understand at the most foundational level how the world works. We wouldn't be able to do this work without using computational techniques, and I use programming every single day in my research. In fact, these days, almost every single subfield in physics uses programming, and the computational skills you learn in this course can be applied to just about any discipline, both in and outside of physics. This course is an introduction to scientific programming with Python, and it will include examples of applications to physics. We don't require any background in programming. So if you've never done any before, you're in exactly the right place. Some of the highlights of the course include statistics and probability, simulation of physical processes, and numerical techniques to differentiate and integrate functions. To make sure that you don't just learn the theory of programming, but are ready to program solutions to whatever problems you encounter, there are different exercises and opportunities for group work. The goal here is to give you plenty of time to practice the concepts that we are learning about until you feel that you have mastered them. So let's get started with some Python basics. Hope that you enjoy the course.